Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the LeetCode question 83. Remove duplicates from sorted list. In that question, they give the head of the sorted linked list, and we have to delete the duplicates from the sorted linked list. So they give the sorted list, so the duplicates are placed one by one in the line. So let's solve the question. First, we create a pointer. Right. Let's create that and assign it as head. After that, we create the while loop. In that, uh, the stem is not equals to null pointer, and the stems next is also not equal to null pointer. This means the stem which is moving forward when the time is not equal to null or times next is not equal to null. So if the time is here, then the times next is that, and the times next is not equal to null. So the times are moved when the times next is not equal to null. So after that we write if condition is times value is equals to times next value. So it checks that if this is the times, then the times value and the times next value. And if these both are same, then we have to remove one. And we don't remove, we just point these nodes to the third node. So we just skip the middle one. So we this times next equals to times next next. And in else condition, we just iterate the times. So times equals to times next. After that, we return the head and we run this code and submit it. So that's it. Thank you.